Welcome to Fraggle Slots. We're going to do a session here, not max bet, $20 bet, high limit, here at the Vault in San Manuel. Cleopatra 2. We're going to bet it at $20 per spin. We have 200 on the machine. Let's go. We need 3 of those to trigger the free spins. Alright, let's line it up. Alright, money back on that spin. Let's see the bonus. Oh, we needed Cleo 2 on the bottom to double that up. Okay, we're gonna reach and put another 200. We're back. We just loaded $200 more, and we're gonna keep it going. See a nice line hit. We need a Cleo right there. Okay, that's a nice line hit, 50. Let's keep it going. Gives us enough for another spin. And final spin. Oh, almost had it. That was Cleo, high limit, San Manuel the Vault. Thanks for watching. Alright, we went back at it and we actually put up about 200 more, 300 more, and we triggered the free spins. Touch a box. Red. For Cleopatra, show us some love. Nice. Nice. Oh. Let's see it. Fraggle Slots. Let's get the 10x re-trigger. Oh, come on, no dead spins, Cleopatra.
Nice.
Nothing. Queens. Come on, make it a nice bonus, Cleo. Another nice line hit. Two more spins. Final spin, nice 10x. Let's see it. Wow, not a good bonus. Thanks for watching. Alright, we triggered another bonus. Cleopatra, let's see it again. Does Cleopatra want to re-trigger? We're on 11 free games for this one. Come on, something nice. That's spin number 8. our final spin coming up. Nice, very nice. That spin pays $1,800. Not bad on a $20 bet. Fraggle Slots, like and subscribe. We're gonna get this jackpot and keep on playing. That's Cleopatra 2 at the vault.
My fortunes are yours.
There it is. Like and subscribe, Fraggle Slots. While we're waiting for the hand pay on Cleopatra, we came over to this one and we have landed a miner. What's it like? Alright, let's fill it up. Let's fill it up. Keeping it alive.
Oh, Minnie.
Meanie, where are you? Come on, one more spin. Save it, save it. There you go. Keep us alive. Save it. Not bad. Not bad while you're waiting on the hand pay. See? $27.50. And we still have one more spin. One more lucky spin. Could we re-trigger the lockets? The lightning cash? Oh. Oh, no way. Got it again.
Ready?
Let's go. Another miner? Major. Come on, let's see something nice. Alright, keeping it alive. I see you, Minnie. Where are you? Okay. There it is. Keeping it alive. Nice. 3 more spins. Whoa. 2 more. Let's trigger this. 2 more. Show me. Keep me alive. 1 more. Alright. Not bad. Let's see. Not bad. 33.50. That was the final spin. All right, feature complete. Jackpot 1. Call attendant. No noise. Okay, well let's grab this one and we'll keep on playing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Fraggle Sluts.